Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps. But guess what? You don't need a big budget to experience the Big Apple. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to exploring NYC without breaking the bank. First stop, Central Park. You can spend hours here wandering through its 843 acres. From picnics on the Great Lawn to a walk through the beautiful conservatory garden, it's all free. And who can forget Times Square? The electric heart of NYC is perfect for people watching and soaking in those iconic neon lights, all without spending a dime. Next, hop on the Staten Island Ferry for unbeatable views of the Statue of Liberty and Manhattan's skyline, all for free. New York is packed with world-class museums like the Met and the Museum of Natural History. Did you know many offer pay-what-you-wish entry? Perfect for exploring art and history on your terms. Feeling hungry? Skip the fancy restaurants and dive into NYC's vibrant street food scene. Grab a classic hot dog or indulge in a fresh bagel. Delicious and budget-friendly. Finish your day with a sunset stroll across the Brooklyn Bridge. The views are stunning, and the experience is priceless, literally. Pro tip: use a Metro card for unlimited subway rides. And don't forget to check out free events happening all over the city. There's always something fun to see in NYC. So, are you ready to explore New York City without emptying your wallet? This beautiful city is yours to discover. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget travel tips and adventures. See you in the next city.